So I've done all my washing, so that's all done. And then I was watching CSI, and now I'm going to do my hair. So what I do here is use hair mousse, number 3, and then roll it with foam rollers, and do that over my head, taking little sections and rolling it, taking little sections and rolling it, and continue until your whole hair is up. And then once all your hair is rolled and sorted, then I'm going to get a headscarf and put my head in the scarf. What it looks like when it's all up and curled, sorted, and then as the back looks like, then in a headscarf, and then you go to sleep for the morning. So that's my pretty hair. And then this is my outfit, original 1940s dress. Took out all my hair curls, and here it is. And this is my makeup. It's blusher, foundation, mascara, and a little bit of lippy. I'm going to the shop with my 1940s bag, and I'm ready to go. And then I've made myself a Great Depression recipe. It's called Hobo Stew by Kiki. You can find her on Instagram or TikTok, etc. She is great making recipes for the cost of living, and I quite like this one. So I tried it, and just making sure my potatoes are cooked. If you want to see the recipe, let me know. I can put it in the comments. Cabbage, potatoes, carrots, salt, pepper, and chicken stock, or chicken cubes if you have them. That's really to it. It's lovely. So I'm trying to get salt out of my thing. Didn't work. Got there in the end. So once I was done, I cooked it for 30 minutes. Tried it. I loved it. So now I'm going to put some into a bowl. Here we go. And then I'm going to put the rest in tubs so it can dry, so I could freeze it for later. Right, thank you for watching, guys, and just me finishing up my stew, adding salt and pepper, as it was hard to do as holding the camera. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and subscribe for more.